Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, May 6, 2019. It's been a while, but she's ready. Even if we are not, we really hate to see her go. But Flyin By has the absolutely correct new owners, new stewards. She will remain in Vermont. She will remain on Lake Champlain. And at her new owner's request, we spent the winter installing a 5200 bottom. That would be a true 5200 bottom. But the problem, and I'm sure some of you have experienced this joy, and I'm using joy in a very pejorative manner, of flipping a boat that is in show chrome. We tried every trick we knew to keep her from getting scuffed. But scuffed she got, severely scuffed on the top sides, particularly across the aft deck just ahead of the stern pole. We even put extra straps on her to keep her from getting hurt, but it was all for naught. So once we finished her bottom and flipped her back over, of course we had all of this chrome off the boat already, so that helped some. We began sanding, starting with 120, and going all the way up to 2500 grit, and then some polishing compound. And today, for the first time all winter, here she is, inviting us to enjoy her. I know her new family will. We still have some final cleanup to do here or there. As you can see, that windshield panel is, shows evidence of, let's call them humanoid presence. But she's a very rare boat, very, very original. Yes, she now lacks her original traditional bottom. But the good news is, in the interest of safety, the Antique and Classic Boat Society judges and shows will not penalize any boat that has a true 5200 bottom under her. Now she will disappear down into storage for a little while, because Lake Champlain is still above flood level. The lake is full of everything that can possibly float that anybody can possibly think about. Look at the crown on that foredeck. These pre-war Chris Crafts were very, very special boats. It's a design equal to none. So, now that I've given us the chance to greet her, it's time to say goodbye for a bit. As soon as the water goes down and the water clears, we will take her out for a sea trial. After all, we had everything out of the boat, the engine and everything, and we have to test to make sure that it works. So on May 6, Monday, 2019, Flyin By is ready to fly by, and my God, with that engine she's got down in her bilge, fly she does. 40 miles an hour is absolutely nothing. With that, thank you very much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.